Survival of the fittest is the basic principle of the existence of life. In a competitive world, the efficient ones will rule the inefficient ones to decide the destiny of their nation. The future of every nation depends on its human resource efficiency, which is decided by the country's education system. Education is not just about studying and getting good marks, but about imbibing knowledge, skills, values, and beliefs. With the advent of technological innovations, there is no arguing that over the years, learning has changed, and so have the ways of evaluation and measurement of people's achievements. With access to extensive amount of information, learning is at much quicker rate, and students get the chance to develop their own learning style. The use of blackboards, whiteboards, and chalk have been replaced with smartboards, LCD projectors, video streaming, theaters and document scanners, and options like flexible learning, podcasts, web chats, and online learning, which have opened education options to people from a range of educational backgrounds and careers. However, basically, education is the transformation of a student to a professional of his choice and talent who knows the practical application of the theory he learned from a book or a teacher for the development of the society. Due to various drain holes in the system, the process fails to serve its purpose, and most of the trained students become ignorant, inefficient, and dissatisfied ones whose talent never matches with their careers. When the academy graduates fail to meet the industry requirements, it becomes the biggest drain hole for the employers to lose their money and reputation. To plug these drain holes, we need to have born trainers, easy learning content, focused classrooms, reduced mental strain, efficient evaluation system, and industry-supported career guidance cell. AIMRI, the research and development wing of ARIES Group, was formed in 2012 with a vision to bridge the gap between the industry and the education sector by introducing the efficiency management system in both the fields. Utilizing the digital revolution that happened in audio-visual fields, acoustically designed classrooms with high-definition projection and surround system were introduced. To develop a trainer-less training system, gifted trainers with the best presentation skills were called in to take classes in front of multiple cameras for one time. Digital animation and 3D content generation studios were set up to enhance content quality for better and easy understanding. Digital monitoring to ensure a 100% attendance and a minimum 70% score for all students successfully got introduced. FSM and Time software was introduced to have the efficiency management system in place, where the student will be competing with himself on a daily basis for making his today better than yesterday. Training time drastically got reduced by 80%, and more effectively, more than 200 professionals got trained and placed in the industry on a trial basis. They all started working independently from the first day onward in the industry without making mistakes out of ignorance and inexperience. Understanding the effectiveness of the trainerless training system using multiple audio tracks for providing training in mother tongue, the Dubai government signed a 5-year 111 million dirham contract with AIMRI to develop a system to train 20,000 professionals in around 400 courses. We believe that the education system in our country shall continue to flourish in the coming years as well, providing the students with opportunity to realize their full potential and enabling them to be active members of their own learning communities. Our vision is to standardize the Indian education system to have the same level of classrooms, syllabus content, practical outlook, and efficient evaluation system even in our villages, which can be exported to the whole world in future. Indywood Education Excellence Awards salutes all those organizations and individuals who have changed with the passing time to imbibe new technology and create skillful and resourceful individuals who can contribute for the betterment of the world we live in. It's a first of its kind initiative being organized to recognize and facilitate the efforts made by schools, educators, and administrators to impart quality education under multiple categories from across the country. It celebrates the achievements of professionals and organizations who offer consistent and significant contribution and whose uniqueness and innovation have inspired the field of education in India. Indywood Education Excellence Awards is being organized as a part of the project Indywood, a revolutionary $10 billion project initiated by a consortium of 2,000 Indian corporates and billionaires to elevate the Indian film industry to be at par or above its peers in the next 5 years. Since visual media has to play a major role in the transformation of our education system, Indywood shall join hands in this noble voyage by converting theatres and home theatres as tuition theatres, studios for content generation, and celebrities as content presenters. Indywood Talent Clubs shall be initiated in all schools and colleges to promote Indywood Talent Hunt. World is changing. To make India a developed country in near future, we need to change the system. And to make the system change, we need to bring the change in ourselves. Take this as an opportunity to dream. Join hands with Indywood. Let's dream together. Future begins here.